Mastering F2L is one of the hardest steps of becoming good at the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, with there being many annoying cases that can stop your flow. So today I'm going to show you 4 easy F2L cases that I see beginner cubers do wrong all of the time. So first up, we have this pair if all of the other F2L slots are already solved, and this needs to go into the back. From this angle, you can do assume, so R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, which solves the pair, and you can cancel into it, so one R prime is already done. Then you can do R prime again, then U push and R to finish the algorithm. Next up, we have this case where you have an inserted flipped edge. From this angle, you can do R prime, F, R, F prime, and then R prime, U2, R2, U, R2, U push, R. So what this algorithm does is it solves this pair, but also it doesn't ruin the one that you already have in the back. Then we have this case where the corner is already inserted in the correct slot and the corresponding edge is on the top with these two colors matching. From this angle, what most of the beginner cubers do is rotate, then match them up, then rotate again, and then insert. Instead, what you should do from this angle is do a sledgehammer, so R prime, F, R, F prime, which sets a 3-move RU R prime solution like this. And then finally, we have this case where both of the F2L pieces are in the front right here and need to be solved into the back. What most beginner cubers would do is they would do a U prime, then take this other edge out, then U, and then match them, and then insert it into the back like this. But that is quite slow, considering that from the same angle, you could do U, R prime, U prime, R2, U, R2, matching this up, U prime, R. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and also check this other video out where I covered commutators, which allow you to solve even more annoying cases easily. But yeah, keep practicing and I'll see you around. Bye.